What's a happening, everybody? Hopefully everybody had a big green day today. I ended up making $645. Two really easy trades. Yesterday, I was talking in the live stream about patterns. I don't know what happened today with YouTube. It just shut off. So my apologies. I even tried to get the lady's voice on there so she would shoot out the stocks. And I don't know what happened, but ended up crashing. So I guess all I can do is try it tomorrow. But so yeah, first I'll show you the P&L from Trade Zero and TD Ameritrade. And then I'll break down the charts. So if this is what after this, let me just pull up. So I'm going to be going over this trade, but today PLUD was a $500 today on PLUD. And then on Trade Zero, it was $145. So $645 total. It was a good day, and I'll break down the chart. So just give me 2 seconds here to minimize myself. Pull the charts back up. Get rid of active trader. So the first stock I'm gonna go over, I'll get to PLUD, but was LPTH. I know this isn't like a crazy big winner, but this was a really easy trade. I know there wasn't a lot of range on it, but I seen this one this morning right in here, and what I seen in this was the same as I seen in MITO. And this stock was right here. So this pattern right here, it's not identical, but it's pretty similar. In my eyes, I picked it up really easy. I'll show you the key candle what gave this trade away. So this is LPTH today, and on this one, so this candle and this candle, when I seen this in the pre-market, I definitely was like, oh yeah, that's MITO all over again. So this was a really easy short. I hit 1,000 shares short at 264, ended up covering at 250, and went to 235. It's not a big deal. I seen the major support right here at 245. This one was a small winner, but really easy trade. When I preach patterns, this definitely is the same thing as I was talking about yesterday in the other videos. But what led to me short this was this candle right here is the same as this candle right here. It's definitely a different way up, but as soon as when I seen this instantly reminded me of that. So all in all, this is a really easy short on LPTH. I wish it had bigger range, but it didn't. So nothing I can do about it. All I can do is trade the chart. I can't I can't change the range on it, but one trade on it, really simple, really easy. This is, I believe, the first trade I took all week on TZ, so I definitely want to go over a couple patterns though. The next pattern I will pull up, this might be a little longer video, so if you just wanted to see the P&L, that's fine. Is plug. So what I've been looking at on plug, obviously I've been talking about the stock for a while. So yesterday, what you're gonna notice with plug is it's the same thing as what I would trade on anything. It's just the patterns. So this is the same as this. So these two right here, same correlation. So yesterday I had shorts. Ended up getting filled. My average is 27.10. This morning I covered at 25.30, I believe. Yeah, I think that's a low, isn't it? Yeah, 25.30. So I bottom ticked it. I got out of the trade. And it popped back up. So what I'm looking for tomorrow on plug is the same pattern as this and the same pattern as this. I think tomorrow, as you can see, I already have shorts already waiting if it does get up to 28s and 29s, and I'll explain why I have them. So I think tomorrow what plug can definitely do is get down to this level again to verify this huge support, kind of like what it's did in the past couple days. Like, it had this big support, it had a pop, retested that support next time, same thing right here, same thing right here. When it got down to here, it had this little pop, but it definitely did try to come down and retest. So I don't know if it'll get down past this 27 level. That's a big level. If it doesn't break 27s, it's only going to go higher. So this one I'll definitely be watching tomorrow. If 27 cracks, I'll be short. My target is anywhere, probably 26.50 is probably going to be my target. But if you look at plug in the last, I have to go on a year. So with plug, we have not made a higher high yet. It's always been lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So what I'm banking on is that we don't get up to this 30.50 and we come back down and test this heavy support in the 23s, 24s, or we continue even lower. So my risk is going to be off the 30.50, and that's kind of the swing. But what I'm seeing right now is I'm just playing the daily pattern on it. That's all I did yesterday. It was a really easy trade. So if we break this 30.50 and start trending higher, I'll definitely be long biased. But until it shows me it can break this level and actually like start moving higher, I'm total short biased on the stock. So I'm shorting into this huge resistance right here at this 30.50 level. And this is a big level for plug. If it can get up to this 30.50 level, it's probably very bullish. So I'm just taking it one day at a time. Nothing crazy. A pattern that this is going to be kind of a swing / day, like in and out. I'm just playing the pattern. So on a daily basis, I want to have full size up in this level. But like I say, I have to take it day by day. I'd like to have 1,000, 2,000 shares up in this, anywhere up in this level. But if it keeps having higher support, obviously it's bullish. So I probably won't get to that. I probably won't be in huge size. But this is a swing trade / day trade. Another stock I did not trade, but I want to look at. Two of them. MOSY. So MOSY, this has definitely been a former runner. If you look back here, when this went from 498 to 385, and see how it held that support at this 385, that was a huge support. So up top, now we're holding this 498 as huge support. So what do I think this stock's going to do? Probably go up, but it might, like, what I'm looking at this is this pattern right here on the entry day right here. So this is kind of like this, but the support's more on the top. So I did not short this stock today, but it's now definitely turning this 498 level into support. So this stock right here reminds me of, I was saying this yesterday in my live stream. It was ULBI. I don't know what this stock did today, but I also cracked. I did crack support. So let me just go over here. So with this stock and this stock, I was saying yesterday, I was talking about what's an easy way to short a stock. And like this, it's kind of the same as this. You have a huge resistance and a lot of support. Same with this. Let me just switch this. So you got a huge resistance at 574, and your huge support is down here in the 498s to the 477s. But if you look at the way that this is, I preach this pattern right here. This 3 candlesticks, the stock goes higher. 20 day 1 hour candlesticks. So this is the same theory. This stock went from 477 to 574. This candle is higher, and then the only thing that I like about this is, let me show you, is how ULBI closed yesterday. It's kind of the same as this. So this right here and this, it's definitely bullish. This was definitely bullish, and it fell off. So I'll definitely be having my eye on MOSY as well tomorrow. But if you look at the difference of shorting a stock, LPTH. So look at this difference. So if you're shorting both of these stocks, so both this morning had the same pattern right here. A tall green 20-day 1 hour candle. Next candle's red. It's kind of the same thing, but this candle shot higher. But look how much easy of a short this is, and look how much you'd be really struggling trying to short that. So I definitely had to bring this up. Like, easy short, not so easy. Like, this is a long buy setup. So hopefully you guys take away something from these patterns. So this is the stock I shorted today. If I was shorting this stock, this would have been a nightmare. The only place you could have really shorted was 545, which I would have got stopped out. Stock would have crashed. Over here, this stock never even retested. Your huge support's at 262, crack 262, stock's done. So I really want to bring this up. Patterns. I live by them. So hopefully this isn't too long. Hopefully you guys made it through the whole video. But I just had to bring up that to your attention. And like I say, maybe there was hotter stocks out there running, but I I don't know. But so I think that's probably going to recap the video. Any questions, any comments, leave them down below. I'll get to them. The live stream will still be Friday, 7 p.m. Central Time. Until next time, traders. Peace.